Good morning, this is me Manya Gupta, your tech host. And the bulletin of the day starts with Google's most intelligent AI, Gemini 2.5, which is now free for all. Moving on to Indian government, which takes major stake in Vodafone Idea. OpenAI's GPU, they are melting over AI art craze. Apple's virtual doctor, Project Mulberry on Go. Google Pixel 9a India launch details revealed. Jio's no data recharge plan, a smart move or a step back. And finally, about local ISPs' struggle as Jio and Airtel expand broadband dominance. Let's talk about the quiz section. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you which technology powers Apple's Vision Pro headset. And the answer is Vision OS. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. What is the wireless technology used in Apple's AirDrop? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Starting with the news, we have Google, which is making AI more accessible than ever. Company just announced that Gemini 2.5, their most advanced AI model yet, is now free for all users. So what makes Gemini 2.5 special? Well, it comes with A. Battery reasoning skills, meaning it can understand complex prompts more efficiently. B. Faster response times, making it ideal for everything from coding to creative writing. And of course, improved contextual awareness, making its answer more precise and human-like. So this move comes as a response to the growing competition in the AI space. With OpenAI, Meta, and others pushing AI boundaries, Google wants as many people as possible using Gemini. But will this move help Google stay ahead in this AI race? Only time will tell this. Next, we have a big news in the telecom world. The Indian government is set to increase its stake in Vodafone Idea to nearly 49% by converting outstanding spectrum dues worth 36,950 crores into equity shares. Why does this matter? Well, Vodafone Idea has been struggling to compete with Jio Airtel, both of which have dominated the telecom industry with competitively pricing and 5G expansion. With this move, government is essentially giving Vodafone a lifeline, preventing it from collapsing under financial pressure. But will this be enough to save Vodafone Idea? Experts believe that while this gives them some breathing room, they will still need massive investments and better service offerings to win back the customers. Could this be the start of some comeback? We'll be watching closely. Moving on to Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, recently revealed that their GPUs are struggling to keep up with the demand. But what's causing this overload? AI-generated Ghibli-style artwork. Yes, AI-powered art is booming and OpenAI's image generation tools are working overtime to meet these demands. Thousands of users are rushing to create stunning hand-drawn anime-style illustrations, pushing OpenAI's infrastructure to its limits. Now, this trend highlights the growing popularity of AI in this digital art, where even non-artists can create masterpieces in seconds. While AI art is exciting, it also raises questions. How will this impact real artists? Will AI-generated images replace human creativity, or will this simply act as a tool to enhance it? For now, OpenAI is trying to scale its systems, but this proves just how massive the demand for AI-generated visuals have become. Let me now tell you to imagine having a virtual doctor in your pocket, one that can analyze your health data and give you real-time insights about potential risks. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, Apple is working on just that. The tech giant is developing an AI-powered health feature codenamed Project Mulberry that aims to revolutionize personal healthcare. This new AI system will reportedly analyze a user's health trends based on data from Apple devices like Apple Watch and iPhone, offering proactive health guidance. So instead of just tracking your heart rate or step count, AI will provide personalized medical insights, possibly even predicting health issues before symptoms appear. However, Apple is moving cautiously. Company knows that medical predictions come with a huge responsibility and accuracy is a must. So could this be the next evolution in digital healthcare? If successful, we might soon see our iPhones not just as communication devices, but as a personal health assistants. Well, Pixel fans, the wait is almost over. Google has officially confirmed that Pixel 9a is coming to India, bringing premium Pixel features at a budget-friendly price. So what's make this phone special? Starting with AI-powered camera, Google's computational photography ensures stunning night shots, enhanced portrait mode, and improved video stability. Then a 120Hz OLED display. Expect smoother scrolling and better visuals. Also a Tensor G3 chipset. This means faster AI features, better battery optimization, and Google's exclusive tools like Call Screen and Magic Eraser. But there's a big challenge. Google Pixel lineup has struggled to gain a foothold in India due to limited retail presence and strong competition from brands like Samsung, OnePlus, and Nothing. So for Pixel 9a to succeed, Google needs aggressive pricing. If the phone is priced well, it could become a top choice for AI enthusiasts and photography lovers. Let us know about Reliance Jio, which has surprised everyone by introducing a 365-day recharge plan that offers unlimited calling but no mobile data. In a world where internet access is essential, this move might seem odd, but Jio has a clear target audience in the mind: senior citizens, rural users, and those who rely on the phones mainly for calls and SMS. Plan ensures long-term connectivity for people who don't need mobile data but still require a reliable voice calling service. It's also a strategic move by Google to capture users from other networks. So will this plan actually work in today's data-driven market? With internet-based calling apps like WhatsApp and Telegram, many users rarely use traditional voice calls. This means demand for such a plan might be limited. However, Jio has often been ahead of the curve when it comes to predicting market trends. If this plan gains popularity, we could see other telecom providers launching similar options. So would you switch to a voice-only plan if it saved you money? Let us know in the comments below. Finally, we have the news about Jio and Airtel, which are rapidly expanding their broadband networks, but their growth is creating major challenge for local and smaller internet service providers, that is ISP. These giants are offering aggressive pricing, faster speeds, bundle services like free streaming subscriptions, something smaller ISPs just can't afford to do. Many regional internet providers are now struggling to survive as customers flock to Jio Fiber and Airtel Xstream for better deals and more reliable connections. If this trend continues, experts warn we could see a duopoly in India's broadband sector, with the smaller players disappearing entirely. So will the government step in to regulate the market, or will Jio and Airtel continue their dominance? Let's see how this plays out. That's a wrap for today's biggest tech stories. I'll meet you again with another bulletin tomorrow. Thank you.